Captain Sam, you hear me? On your left.
The legacy of that shield is complicated.
Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another video. Today, I will be showing you how to make Captain America's shield from Falcon and the Winter Soldier series, inspired by Sean's crafts. Here are some of the tools I've used to make the shield. In fact, I've made 2 shields because I wasn't happy with the first one. Enjoy the video. This is a template you have to print, which I have left for you guys to download on the description of the video. Here is the template for drawing the shield circles. Just cut a piece of paper and draw the measurements like shown in the video. In total, there has to be 21 of these pieces, and they all have to be cut exactly the same size. Here, we continue drawing the shape and cut the foam layer for the shield. You can use EVA foam, but I've used this thin mattress foam for this one. During this part, my glue gun broke, so I had to improvise and made on with soda can until I got a new one. Here, I'm applying white glue to make the cardboard more reinforced. Let me pause you here. As you can see, I've also tried to do layers with paper mache, which was a bad idea because cardboard got too wet, and when it dried, there were a lot of bumps and didn't turn out well. You'll see later how I did the second shield. Although the shape was bad, I still continued to make it till the end. The finished product turned out better than I've expected. To make these black thick lines on the shield, I've measured the circumference of the second circle and divided it by 5, then marked where the lines would be drawn. To apply the last layer, which is cardboard, I'm using this rubber contact adhesive, which is similar to contact cement, but it's way cheaper. I got it for €1 and I've spent 4 of them for both shields. And to fill in some gaps, I'm using air dry clay, but this too was not that good, because it cracked afterwards. For the second shield, I filled in the gaps with super glue, then sanded it to make the surface smoother and blend. Also, another tip when painting is that I think it's better and easier to paint the layers before sticking them to the shield. And this is the final product. Not that bad, huh? It turned out better than I expected, but it can be better. As you can see, those cracks and little bumps were still visible even after sanding the clay. And for the second shield, I wanted to make the base much stronger and thicker, so I'm using thick and strong cardboard. For the reinforcement, I've used only white glue without mixing it with water. And this was better result because it didn't lead to the shield being that much wrinkly. Sean on his tutorial used resin for this part, but that thing is too expensive. As always, I try to keep the budget low. For the second layer, now I'm using EVA foam. Here, I've placed the cutout template to draw, where I'm going to stick the foam layer to the cardboard. Now, instead of hot glue, I've used the same rubber contact adhesive for both layers. To make the strap to hold the shield, I've cut this cheap belt that I've bought at a dollar store, and I've used super glue to stick it. And for the top layer, instead of cardboard, this time I'm using this thick plastic, which is used to place on top of dining table. As you can already see that I have it attached at the table. The total cost of all the materials I've used to make both shield was €30. And to make the star, I've used this template of a circle divided in 5 that I've found on Google, and also left it on description to download. As you can see, I've marked those 5 spots, then continue to draw the star. And this is the final product. Cool, huh? It turned out better than the first one, and it's also stronger but heavier too. And it also has a glossy finish. This one too has some little bumps, but prior to the first one, it's way better. Also, keep in mind that it's not preferred to throw it, because it can and it will break. Mine cracked a bit when I threw it for the first clips of the video, and one of the belt straps got ripped off. If you have watched the video till the end, then thank you so much for sticking to the end. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family. It'll help grow the channel. I will be seeing you all in other projects. Take care.